Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a movement script that looks just like this. It's for games like a shooter game and other games like that. So let's go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do first is drag out a when flag clicked statement so that you can test for these things if it's green flag clicked. And then you want to add forever loops so that happens forever. Grab 4 if statements, and then an if statement is for so that you can test if something happens, then run a specific thing or do a specific thing. And then you want to go to sensing, do a key pressed for each of these so that it tests if a key pressed for movement, stuff like that. And then we're going to go to variables. I already made these two variables, but what you're going to do is create a variable called x speed, and then you're going to create a variable called y speed. And then what we're going to do at the start is set both of those variables to whatever speed you want. I'm gonna do 5 right now for this case. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to motion, and if we're gonna set up these keys. If A is pressed, if D is pressed, which is these are gonna be the keys that I'm gonna do, A, W, and D. And then if D is pressed, and then if W is pressed, and then if S is pressed. So let's do that. And then what we want to do is we're gonna go to this, and we're gonna make sure we change X by for the A and D because those are horizontal, which means that they'll move across the horizontal axis of the screen. So when it grab 2 change so that it changes them, and because if we put set, then it would move to, it'd be way crazy and stuff. So yeah, it wouldn't work. I'm just gonna tell you that. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to operators, grab out 2 minus signs. You'll see them in a second. Variables, grab out 2 x speeds and then 2 y speeds. The reason why we're doing this is in a second. I'll tell you. So, anyways, we're gonna for an a, since the a is going to the left, that is going to be a negative number because let's say you were looking at a number line, the right would be positive numbers and left would be negative numbers. And the reason why we're doing negative numbers for those things is because if we weren't and we just left as a positive number, it would go to the right because it's positive. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put you're gonna grab the minus signs from the operator tab, and you're gonna put x speed in that, and then put that in the A, so that whenever A is pressed, it'll move that towards the left. And then for the D, since positive number is automatically gonna move to the right, then you're fine, and you can test the code, and it works. So then what you want to do is for W, since it's up and up is a positive number, so you can just drag the y speed. But since S is going down, that's a negative number, so you want to put negative y speed. And then what we're going to do is for the that I messed up. I'm stupid. We're stupid. I messed up. We're going to change the, don't do what I just said to do. We're going to change the y by and change the y by again for the S. Since S is going down as a negative number, so we put the minus, and then since it goes up, we do that. And the reason why we do the variable is because let's say we wanted to change this. But before we change that, let me show you something. If I wanted to create another set of keys that you could use, like the arrow keys, all you have to do is click, hover over the forever, and then click duplicate, and it'll make the entire thing down. And the reason why we're doing that instead of doing this is because when you're click, it's already going to run this code, and since we have this, it only needs to do it once and stuff. So yeah, and then we're gonna change the keys. So A goes to the left, so we're gonna do arrow keys. So A goes to the left arrow because left arrow left, and then D goes to the right, so that'd be right arrow. W goes up, so it'd be the up arrow, and then S goes down, so it'll be the down arrow. So guys, that's gonna be your tutorial for the movement, and we can use the arrows. But let's say you want to change the speed. If we didn't have these variables here, you would have to change 8 numbers. But this, since we have both of these, we'll only need to change 2 numbers. Like if I want to change these to 10, instead of having to go through and change all of these where the x and y speeds are, instead of changing those to also be 10, all you gotta do is put in that variable, and then it will automatically change. So look, it changed. So that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And to notify you the next time I upload. And go follow me on Scratch and subscribe to me on YouTube. Leave a like on this video and comment down below if this helped you. And bye.